Hello everyone, greetings from Salad Infotech. In this video you will see the module how to set the expiry date on manufacturing order. So basically this module allows Odoo users to check and edit the expiry date of the product to be manufactured. After installation of the module, you will be able to verify the expiration date. Furthermore, you can also edit the expiration date for the manufacturing order from the manufacturing order screen itself, which will be change the expiry date for the mentioned lot number or serial number of the product. So let's get into the details and see how you can install and use the particular module. So in the installation section you can write the module name and this module will be appear. So it is already installed in my system, so you can directly install it from here and this will apply to the manufacturing order. So let's take an example of a product which is a test product, and here as you can see the lot number and serial number and expiration date are already enabled for the particular product. Let's go into the manufacturer and make a manufacturing order. Let me create an order for the same product. Okay, so after creating the order, when you confirm it, the Odoo will directly allow you to add the lot or serial number. So I'm adding it automatically. Yeah, so after adding it, the Odoo will directly mention the expiry date based on the expiry date days you have mentioned in the product, which is test product 1. So you can save it, and also if you want to change the expiry date, you can add it and change the expiry date to here, and you can again save it. Basically what will happen is for the product of lot number 4 will have this particular expiry date throughout the system in the manufacturing itself. So when you go to here, yeah, so here you can see the expiry date has been changed. So this was all about the module. You can download it directly from the Odoo Web Store. Link is in the description. And thank you.